We didn't wake up angry. We just stopped noticing each other. Connection became wireless, but human. Disconnected. We reach for screens before we reach for each other. In 2140, efficiency replaced empathy. When kindness disappears, control becomes easier. Loneliness is not silence. IT is pressure. It only takes one moment to change the temperature of a world.
Hey there, don't worry about it. Let's get these picked up for
The
you.
future does not collapse in one day. It fades through small choices, and it can be rebuilt. System V